What if your money never stopped working? Not occasionally, not when the market cooperates, not when conditions are perfect. What if, at every hour of every day, while you sleep, while you travel, while you live, your capital was quietly, consistently generating income on your behalf? For decades, passive income meant accepting a 1% savings account or waiting years for a stock dividend that barely kept pace with inflation. That era is over. A new financial infrastructure has been built, one that runs on code, on algorithms, on blockchain transparency, and it changes everything we thought we knew about how wealth compounds. What you are about to see is the most complete passive income ecosystem ever built for the digital age. This is AURUM. Let's take a look first at the market opportunity. The numbers tell a story that is impossible to ignore. The global cryptocurrency market has surpassed $2.5 trillion, and that is not a ceiling, that is a launching pad. Meanwhile, the tokenized asset market, real-world assets brought onto the blockchain, is projected to exceed $400 billion by 2030, reshaping how property, commodities, and capital itself are owned and traded. Yet despite this tidal wave of digital wealth creation, 73% of high net worth investors report that they are still searching for reliable passive income from these markets. They want yield. They want consistency. They want a system that works without demanding their constant attention. And traditional finance, built on models designed for the last century, simply cannot deliver that. There is a window open right now, a convergence of technology, demand, and timing that does not stay open forever. AURUM was built precisely for this moment. Let's discuss credibility. Before we walk through the 9 income streams, it matters to understand why AURUM can be trusted to deliver on what it promises. The foundation begins with battle-tested artificial intelligence, algorithms that have been refined across real market conditions, not just back-tested on historical data. That intelligence is deployed across global infrastructure, built for the scale and reliability that serious capital requires. For investors who value sovereignty above all else, AURUM offers genuine self-custody options. Your assets, under your control, always. Every position, every return, every movement of value is recorded on the chain with full transparency. And surrounding all of it is a growing community of active earners, real participants generating real income in real time. AURUM is not a promise, it is a system. Income Stream 1. The EXAI trading bot, and this is where the AURUM system truly begins to show what it can do. Imagine having access to a trading operation that scans every major crypto market around the clock, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, identifying and executing trades based on machine learning strategies that no human trader could replicate at this speed or this scale. You do not watch charts. You do not set price alerts at midnight. You do not second-guess decisions in a volatile market. You deploy capital, you configure your parameters, and the system goes to work, immediately, automatically, and continuously. Built-in risk management protocols ensure that the bot operates within defined boundaries, protecting your position even when markets move against expectations. Income Stream 1. Running while you live your life. If the EXAI trading bot is the entry point into automated crypto income, the EXAI Pro bot is for the investor who knows exactly what they want and wants more of it. Think of it the way you would think about upgrading from economy to business class. The destination is the same. The experience, and the return, is in a different category entirely. The Pro bot runs more sophisticated strategies, operates at higher frequency, and covers an expanded universe of assets. Premium signal integrations give it access to market intelligence that standard automation simply does not reach. The risk management architecture is correspondingly advanced, designed to perform not just in favorable conditions, but in the kind of complex, fast-moving market environment where most systems fall short. For the investor who demands precision, who thinks in terms of optimized return per unit of risk, Income Stream 2 delivers. Same intelligence, a whole new level of performance. Income Stream 3. ZEUS. The name is not accidental, and it is not for show. Where EXAI operates with surgical precision, targeting specific opportunities with calibrated intelligence, ZEUS was engineered for something else entirely: scale, speed, and dominance across the full breadth of the market. ZEUS operates across multiple exchanges simultaneously, not sequentially. While other systems are reacting to one market, ZEUS is reading all of them, identifying arbitrage, hedging dynamically against volatility, and executing at volumes that would be impossible for any individual trader to manage. The bar chart on screen tells its own story. Month after month, a consistent upward performance line that speaks louder than any description. This is what institutional-grade automation looks like when it is made accessible to individual investors. Named after the god of power, because that is exactly what it delivers. Income Stream 4. Neyrobot. Self-custody. Income Stream 4 requires a shift in tone, because this one is built on a different principle entirely. There are investors in this world who will never, under any circumstances, hand control of their funds to a third-party platform. They have earned that conviction. They have seen what happens when trust is misplaced. And AURUM does not just respect that position. AURUM built a solution for it. Neyrobot connects directly to the investor's own exchange account via API, and that is the critical distinction. Your funds never leave your wallet. They never sit on an AURUM-controlled account. The neural network engine reads market conditions in real time, executes trades on your behalf within your exchange under your account. Every trade is visible. Every result is yours. The transparency is absolute, and the control never transfers. For the serious investor who refuses to hand over control, Neyrobot was built for you. Income Stream 5. Tokenized gold. Gold has preserved wealth for 5,000 years. Tokenization makes it work for you every second. Let that sit for a moment, because what that sentence represents is one of the most significant financial innovations of this generation. Gold has been the world's most trusted store of value since before currency existed. Empires have been built on it. Financial systems have been anchored by it. And for most of history, accessing it meant buying coins or bars, locking them in a vault, and waiting. Liquid when you needed it least, static when you needed it most. AURUM changed that equation entirely. Through tokenization, fractional ownership of physical gold is now available to any investor, in any denomination, without minimum barriers. 24-hour liquidity means it is never inaccessible. On-chain transparency means every ounce is verifiable, every holding is provable. Own real gold, trade it digitally, earn while you hold. Income Stream 6. Tokenized real estate. Income Stream 6. Note, this income stream has not launched at the time of this recording. However, AURUM is in the process of partnering with a luxury resort complex in Bali. Imagine this: a premium commercial property or a residential development in a high-growth market, and you own a piece of it. Not the whole building, not a mortgage, a tokenized fraction, precisely calibrated to your investment level, secured on the blockchain, immutable and permanent from the moment of purchase. That ownership is recorded as on-chain title, not a paper certificate in a filing cabinet, but a digital record that cannot be altered, disputed, or lost. From that position, rental income flows directly into your wallet, on schedule, as reliably as the tenants pay. And as the underlying property appreciates, as premium real estate has done historically in virtually every market and every era, your tokenized position appreciates with it. Fractional ownership, on-chain title, rental yield, asset appreciation, the full real estate investment cycle, accessible, automated, and on-chain. Real estate income, crypto speed, zero friction. Income Stream 7, Neobank Debit Card. Income Stream 7 brings the AURUM ecosystem into your everyday life, literally, into your pocket. The AURUM Neobank Debit Card is how crypto earnings meet real-world spending, and it does something that no traditional bank card has ever done quite like this. It turns every single purchase into an income event. Every transaction generates cashback rewards, automatically, without activation, without coupons, without thinking about it. The card is accepted globally, with zero foreign transaction fees, making it as practical for a business lunch in Dallas as for a dinner in Dubai. Your crypto earnings fund real-world purchasing power, and that purchasing power gives back every time you use it. In the AURUM ecosystem, every swipe is another micro-income event. Income Stream 8, Referral Rewards. Income Stream 8 is one of the most powerful compounding forces in the entire AURUM ecosystem, and it begins with the simplest possible action, sharing a link. You invite a contact, they join AURUM and activate any income stream, any one of the 9. At that moment, a commission is generated for you, automatically, recorded on-chain, with no processing delays, no waiting periods, no intermediaries taking a cut. But here is where the design becomes truly elegant. AURUM operates on a multi-tier referral structure, which means when your referrals introduce others to the ecosystem, you earn from that activity too. Your network grows. Your reach multiplies. What started as a single invitation compounds into a web of ongoing, automated income that expands with every new participant you touch. In the AURUM model, your community is not just your social circle. It is a compounding asset in its own right. Your community is your most powerful income stream. Income Stream 9, Profit Share. Income Stream 9. We have saved the most fundamental concept for this moment, because profit share is not just another income layer. It is a declaration of how AURUM views the people who participate in this ecosystem. Not as customers, not as users, as stakeholders. Here's what that means in practice. As the AURUM platform generates revenue across every trading bot, every tokenized asset, every card transaction, every referral event, a direct, defined percentage of that total ecosystem revenue is distributed back to participants. The donut chart on screen shows you exactly what portion is earmarked for the community, not as a vague promise, but as a structured, scheduled distribution. Predictable, transparent, on-chain. And as AURUM scales, as the platform grows, as the ecosystem expands, as more participants join and more capital flows, the distributions grow with it. Your stake in the outcome increases alongside the platform's success. You are not just a user of this ecosystem. You are a part owner of it. The full picture. All 9 streams. Step back for a moment and take in the full picture. 9 income streams. The EI Trading Bot, the EI Pro Bot, ZEUS, Neyro Bot, Tokenized Gold, Tokenized Real Estate, the Neobank Debit Card, Referral Rewards, and Profit Share, operating simultaneously, in parallel, on your behalf from the moment you activate your position in the ecosystem. Every single stream is diversified, drawing from different asset classes, different mechanisms, different market dynamics, so that no single point of volatility can undermine the whole. Every stream is automated, requiring no active management, no daily decisions, no expertise that takes years to develop. And together, by design, they compound, each stream feeding the growth of the next, the returns of one amplifying the potential of all the others. No other platform gives you 9 simultaneous automated paths to passive wealth. This is the AURUM difference. AURUM. 9 streams of daily passive crypto income on autopilot are waiting. 1. Activate your first income stream today. 2. Connect with an AURUM partner. 3. Book a private wealth briefing. Your passive income journey begins with one decision.